What I'm working on is a Toro paddle wheel snow thrower that has a Tecumseh engine on it, and it will not start. Okay, flip the machine up on its blower housing there, and looks like the fuel's been in there a while. What I'm going to do is drain that fuel out of there. Then we're going to take this main jet bowl nut off the bottom of this carburetor here and then clean that out, put some fresh fuel in there, and I'm pretty sure this will start up. Okay, now that I got that rotten fuel out of there, I'll go ahead, reconnect our fuel line, put the clamp on there, and then I'm going to take this main jet out of here and clean that. Need a 1/2 inch or a 13 millimeter. We'll take and remove this. There'll be a little bit of fuel that drips out of there. Take this off here. Okay, this is our main jet here. This is what sucks the fuel up in there. And as you can see, there is a hole that goes straight through. You want to make sure that that's cleared out. And then right up here, I'll see if I can get my camera to focus. It does not always want to cooperate. There is a very tiny hole right on the top of the threads there. So you want to find a very thin wire and poke into that little tiny hole there. And make sure that's cleared out. Then you're going to want to take some carburetor cleaner and spray it in all those holes. And it's a good idea to replace this little gasket here. We'll put it back in, and I'm pretty sure it'll fire up. Take my carburetor cleaner here. And you might want to wear some eye protection. Okay, got a new gasket there. Go ahead and put that on. For your seasonal power equipment, I highly recommend using fuel without ethanol in it, as well as using a fuel stabilizer.